I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. First, navigate to the vendors menu. Then, select Enter Bills to record invoices received from your suppliers. This initial step is crucial for tracking your accounts payable accurately. We'll cover how to input all necessary details, ensuring your financial records reflect your current obligations. Let's get started with the basics of bill entry. To enter a bill, go to the vendor's menu and choose Enter Bills. Here, you'll select the vendor, enter the bill date and the total amount due. Don't forget to specify the due date to help manage your cash flow. You can also assign the expense to a specific account or customer job. This ensures your financial statements accurately categorize every expenditure, making reconciliation much simpler. Once bills are entered, it's time to pay them. From the vendor's menu, select Pay Bills. You'll see a list of outstanding invoices. Choose the bills you want to pay, select your payment account and the payment method such as check or electronic payment. QuickBooks will then record the payment, reducing your accounts payable and updating your bank balance. It's a straightforward process. After paying your vendors, always review your accounts payable aging report to ensure everything is current. Regular reconciliation of your bank and credit card accounts is also vital for maintaining accurate financial records. This practice helps catch any discrepancies early. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources. Keeping your books tidy saves time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.